Just getting the idea around your business, your project for your clients isn't enough. You have to need a well structured steps and the ways you are going to fulfill that dream here. So what if there's a tool with the help of AI, you can just mind map all those steps in the really cool way like this. I have interior designing work for the marketing and I have created this step-by-step mind map here with all the things I need to do here, and this is all the stuff I have done with a super AI platform tool. That name is the Broadmix. So this is the tool. In this video I am going to give you a detailed review, introductory explanation on the features, and I will show you how you can also create these kind of the mind map using the Broadmix, and they are also a cool of the things you can do it here. If I talk about its features, let me give you some glimpse here. Like you will got the whiteboard, you will got the Scrum tool, mind mapping, process mapping, smart goal settings, technical diagram maker, a lot of cool things available in this platform, and everything is just powered by the AI. So you don't have to do everything manually. You have to just describe the thing you want to do with the Broadmix, and it will create the mind map, the brainstorming, the steps for you. So this is how powerful this platform is. And not only you can create these kind of the mind maps, but you can also share with your people, your clients, your team members, whatever the person you want to share it, you can share them. Okay, plus what you can do, you can also embed it on your website. For example, you want to showcase these steps to your visitor. Suppose you are offering something free but valuable, then you can embed it on your website too. So let me talk about this platform, show you its features, and tell you how you can use this platform. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before that, let me tell you, Broadmix is right now available on the App Sumo, starting from the just $39 lifetime deal here. And there's the one thing, this deal is only going for the last 14 days. You can see this is the timer. So after the 2 weeks, this deal will be ended, and you have to buy the deal within the monthly or yearly subscriptions here, because the deal of its lifetime will be ended here. So if I compare its lifetime deal, that is the $39 one-time payment, to its monthly and yearly prices, you can see it here. Although there's also a free plan available, but you will get a really low limits here, and you cannot access all of its features. Okay, so its pricing starts from the $99. Okay, and only for the one people, and this is the lifetime. Okay, let me tell you, this is the lifetime, but on the official pricing it's $99, while on the App Sumo it is just $39. So you can get the value where you are getting most and less affordable pricing here. Okay, and look at the reviews here, it has so many reviews, so you can read yourself. Broadmix is an AI-powered collaborative whiteboard that helps people express their ideas visually for better communication and productivity. Okay, and if I scroll down below, you get to know more about this platform. It has some of the glimpse of its dashboard. Don't worry, I am also going to give a detailed overview all of its features in the tutorial. So right now, let me just scroll down below and show you all the things that you are going to get in the lifetime here. Like all these features is already available, and you can see, as for the AI, it has the integration with the Chargeberry 4 Turbo. Okay, and let me scroll down below, you can see for the $39 you are going to get the access for 3 team members, while as in the official pricing we have only access for the 1 team member. Okay, so you can see the value you are getting here. Plus there are also some other tier 2 and tier 3 plans available, but I think the tier 1 plan is good for you unless or until you have more than 3 team members. Okay, so if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you are watching this video after the 14 days, then let me tell you, this deal is ended for you. So make sure you get this as soon as possible, and don't worry somehow you are not happy with the Broadmix, there's the 60 days money back guarantee. Just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be back. Now let me go to its dashboard UI tutorial so I can show you. So this is its official site. Let me back here so I can show you the dashboard. So this is its official site dashboard, and once you get its lifetime deal and sign it, this is how you are going to show here. Okay, and all the major options available here on the left side menu, but you can also get the quick action and the quick access options here on the main dashboard. For example, if you want to just get started with instantly for the whiteboard, this is the option available. You want to create the mind map or the do brainstorming, this is the option available. There's also the flow chart, presentations, AI art, AI chart and writing, documentations, and this is the worksheets. So all these things you can quickly get access here, and you can see this is the AI generated template. So why I'm talking about this is AI generated, because you know you have the idea but you don't know how you can express it, how you can just create the steps or present them in the whiteboard. So don't worry, just go to this option here and give this some idea descriptions to its AI. It is going to just generate that mind map for you. That's how powerful and the amazing feature it is. Let me show you. So right now the screen is loading. Okay, there's the network error showing. Let me refresh the page again. Okay, and right now you can see our this dashboard screen is loaded, but right now it is empty. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click here on the AI assistant, and now you have to express your idea. For me, let's go with the I have an SEO marketing plan for my website, starting from keyword searching to getting and boosting traffic. So please create a mind map for me to express and share the idea with my team members. Okay, so basically that's how you have to just add the description about your idea, and you can see this is the icon. Just click it here, and now it is going to just generate the everything for you. This is how it is amazing. Okay, so right now you can see this is the my chat is currently going on with the AI. So you can see all the things it has started to adding here. So once this thing is done, I have to just simply click here on this step, that is the add to canvas. But let me wait a little bit more, so until all these things, researching thing is done. Okay, this is done. Let's click here on the add to canvas. Okay, and now this mind map or whatever the marketing plan we have here is now added here on the mind map. You can check it. Okay, so let me make it a little more good here. So you can see here, and I want to make like the split. Okay, not split in the flow, in the associate with the file here on the mind map. Add here. Let me wait here, wait a little bit. Let me select all the steps here, and then let me go to this one, and let's click here on the generate mind map. Okay, you can see happened. I am just checking the different one. You can see SEO marketing plan, keyword research, white website optimization, content strategy, link building strategy, social media engagement, and the monitoring and the tracking results. Okay, so all this stuff starting from the just my idea, asking with the AI assistant to generate me the steps, and now this is the mind map with all the steps. So within the just around 2 minutes it is happened. Okay, so now what I can do, I can just click on the share button, share to my audience, share to my visitors, share to my clients, share to my team member, whatever the person I want to share. I have to just enter their email address, and I can just share this thing with them. So this is the power of Broadmix. Haven't you amazed right now or not? Okay, so this is the just tip of the iceberg I have just showed you right now. There are also so many cool features available. Like you can see, you want to add the image, you can do it there. This is the for presentation. This is for the mind maps. If you have already some mind map available, you can do that. You want to add the flowchart, you can also do it. So many great features available. Plus there's also some extra things like you want to add, like frame. This is the templates. It has so many cool templates available, by the way. I will show you one by one all of them. Okay, so again, let's back to the dashboard, and let me talk about all the feature it has available on the left side menu section. Okay, so this is the menu section. So right now this is the home, and here you will find out all of your projects. Like I have all these kind of the mind map projects here. This is the quick action button I have already talked about, and this is the recent section. Basically it will give you the your recent created mind maps folder. Then this is the resource library. So let's go to the resource library and show you all the stuff it has available. So basically you will learn about its features and the resources available here. So let's go to the templates, and this is the one of the best and the major feature that I am really excited to talk about. In the templates you will find out some pre-designed pre-built templates for everything you want to create. Like you want to create the mind map, there's the template available. This is for the flow chart, this is for the SWOT analysis, organization chart, daily Scrum meeting, all these things. So almost for your every day-to-day life, for your office work, for every kind of this stuff, you will find a template here in the really good detailed user interface. For example, this is the thing you can see, gratitude tree. Okay, and this is the template, you can check it here. Before using it you can actually preview it, how it's looking like. See, this is the gratitude tree and it's looking really good. So let me close this one and let's check out few more templates. Let's use this one, virtual scavenger hunt. Okay, I don't know what it is, but let's click on the preview and we got to see, okay, it's actually pretty good. See, so many great ways you can use Broadmix. Then this is also the community section. If you want to just connected with the community, there's the option available, and you can create the multiple folders with your multiple brands, for your multiple team members. Basically it is going to diversify your work so you can easily access them and don't mix them with each other. Okay, so this is the Broadmix, and if I click here you will get some of the things. Like if you want to change to the dark mode, this is the really cool way to give its UI a new look, but not pinching in your eyes, because dark mode makes the really easy and comfortable working for the long time. Okay, then if you want to connect it with the team members, there's the contact us button available, and you want to know more or everything here, there's the help center available for getting know more about its features and options. Okay, and if you want to know what the new things they have added recently, so just click here on the what's new. It will show you, like they have recently added the AI extraction feature. It is going to extract the things and the main key points or the core points from your documents, presentations, and going to create the flowchart or the mind map for you. So right now they are doing a great job. They are constantly adding new features in their platform, and it's been around the 8 or 9 months since I am using the Broadmix, and I haven't any complaint yet right now. There are so many cool features. Okay, so this is all about I want to talk about in this video, and this is the Broadmix. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And what I suggest, get its lifetime deal, because there's the really low time available, and within the just 14 days it will be ended, and you have to pay the around $99 to get use it. Okay, so right now there's the really cool affordable pricing of lifetime deal going on and the app Sumo, and still there's the 60 days money back guarantee if somehow you are not happy with the Broadmix. Okay, so bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. And recently I have created a new video on my YouTube channel talking about the top 5 best app Sumo lifetime deal you can get for the July 2024 here. So you can see this is the video I am talking about. So this video is also available in the link in the bio, link in the description, sorry. Okay, so bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.